Hello, what's up YouTube family? It's your boy again, FX, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you guys another strategy that you can use in trading the financial market profitably, even with your phone or with your laptop. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Here I document my journey as a forex trader, and I also teach people the strategy that I use in trading the financial market, just like what I'm going to be doing in today's video. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or you have any idea, let me know down there in the comment section. My free Telegram group is also in the description box where I share most of my trade and most updates I normally get. So I share it down there in the Telegram. So join the Telegram, the link is in the description of this video. So let's get straight into the video. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys about trend line breakout. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys about. How to trade trend line breakout. Now, for example, you guys already know that if you're trading financial market, you know that there are three types of trend. We have the uptrend, that's the trend that is moving upwards, and then we have the downtrend, which is the trend that is moving downward, and then we have the sideways or consolidating trend. And a lot of forex traders will tell you not to trade with this sideways consolidating trend, that you should trade with this one or you trade with this other one. But anyhow, let's jump into the video. So how do you trade trend line? You know, for example, when the market is bullish, that is, the market is creating these higher highs and higher lows, and then the market is moving upward, a lot of us will put our trend line this way. Sorry if I do it wrongly. Put our trend line this way. If you have our first touch, you have our second touch, you have our third touch, just like what I normally preach on my YouTube channel. Your first touch, second touch, third touch. When the market is coming for the fourth touch, be looking to take a trade on the touch of that trend line. For example, now I see the market hit my first, second, third. When the market is coming to hit my fourth place, I'll wait for confirmation at this line or maybe a criteria for entry, and then I'll jump in for this trade. Same thing I normally teach it, but today's video, the scenario is the case. In this case, we're waiting for the market to do this thing, to move up, move up, move up. But once the market come here, the market should fill this trend line, come to retest this trend line, and then we take our trade for short, and then we'll target this low or this low. Guys, it sounds so interesting and it is not difficult. In today's video I'm going to be breaking it down how you can do this, right? I'm going to be breaking it down. So let's go to some examples that I've already outlined here for you guys in today's video. Right, so as you guys can see clearly, we are on this gold chart. Look at this, guys. We are on gold chart, the 1 hour time frame, and as you guys can see clearly from this trend, this market is in a downtrend. And when the market is in a downtrend, you guys already know when the market is in a downtrend, we should be looking out for what? Sales, except the market want to reverse. And if the market want to reverse, the market will give you signal. For example, if the market is in a downtrend, creating lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If the market want to reverse, the market will break this high right here. That's when you know that the market will want to reverse, and then the market will not create this higher low, and then the market will not start reversing. That's how to know when the market is actually what? Trying to reverse. That's another tip for you guys. So subscribe, like this video, so that this video can go to more other person. Just like I said that, for example, this this market is clearly in a downtrend. Now you can see your first touch right here, you can see your second touch right here. Where is our fourth touch? No fourth touch. Okay, here's our third touch. Now the market came down, and then the market came to touch this our trend line. But when the market is to touch this our trend line, a lot of traders will be, okay, let me zoom this in so that you guys will see this thing properly. Okay, let me zoom this in. So you guys know that this is our third touch, right? And then the market sold. Just like I said, I'll wait for my 3 touches. When the market is coming for the 4th touch, I will wait for confirmation before I jump in for the trade, right? Now a lot of traders now, when the market come to this trend line, they'll be looking out to sell. That is what a lot of traders they normally do. I have done this in the past, right? When I was trading trend line, when I used to trade trend line, a lot of traders, once I just see that the market has come for my 4th touch, immediately I'm jumping in for sale, which is a poor criteria for entry, which is a poor approach towards taking a trade, right? So once the market does hit, wait for your confirmation first. It's not a must that the market will break this level. The market must not break the level. At times the market should respect this level, but not that when the market come back here you just jump in for your sale. No, you wait for your confirmation at this level before you jump in for the sale, right? So when the market is hitting me here, my type of confirmation is the evening star or the bearish engulfing candlestick, which is telling me that the market is coming to the downside, or I'll be looking out for momentum, right? That's how I know that the market wants to come to the downside. So let us zoom this back in. Okay, look at this, guys. The market gave us your first touch, your second touch, and then your third touch. When the market is coming for your 4th touch, if the market didn't give you confirmation, don't jump in. The market broke, came to retest this our trend line, and then the market skyrocketed, and then the market moved to the upside. Guys, look at this. When the market comes to touch this your trend line, don't just jump in for the trade immediately. That is what a lot of you guys will do. You will, once the market just come to touch that your trend line, you will just jump in for the trade immediately. That is a bad way of trade. That's a bad approach of trade towards trade. You wait for a confirmation at this place. It's me, I'll be waiting for bullish engulfing. Me, I love those candlesticks so much. Bullish engulfing or morning star. That's when the market is telling you that the market want to move to the upside. But first with confirmation. You first enter with confirmation. Even though you don't want to even enter with confirmation, you can just go with low risk, right? Because it's a risky trade, so you have to go with a low risk approach. So even though the trade goes against you, you won't lose so much. So the market broke, came to retest, and then we bought with confirmation over here, and then we set our take profit at this low. Guys, if I'm setting my take profit, let me be frank, if I'm setting my take profit, these are the levels, either this level or this level. Those are the levels that I'll be targeting, to be honest. And as you guys can see, the market broke and then hit this take profit at this level. So simple. Let's go over to the next example. Look at this example. Look at this now. The market is clearly in an uptrend right here. So what did the market do? This is our first touch, this is our second touch, this is our third touch, and just like what I told you guys, I'm sorry for this, sorry for that. So just like what I told you guys, once you have your first touch, you have your second touch, you have your third touch. When the market is coming for your fourth touch, you wait for confirmation and then you jump in for the trade. That is what I told you guys. Wait for your confirmation. But if I should zoom into this level, you guys won't see any sort of confirmation over here to jump in for buys, and that's why the market broke. And when the market broke, what was the market do? The market broke, came to retest, and then the market started moving to the downside. Guys, this thing is very, very simple. Guys, also a disclaimer, I know that a lot of you guys, once you don't see that the market has broke, the market is coming over here, a lot of you guys will just jump in for sale immediately, and then you lose the trade. You come back to this video. Please and please wait for your confirmation. Wait for your confirmation before you jump in for any trade, right? You need to have your confirmation, so that confirmation now will make you feel less tense about that trade, because now you're trading with your confirmation, you're trading with a plan, right? Your first touch, your second touch, your third touch, your fourth touch, you'll be looking at what's buying. The market feels and the market doesn't show you a confirmation. Wait for the market to form, retouch your trend line. You should be looking at for also momentum of the buyers or the sellers. For me, if the market is coming here to retest, I'll be looking out for loss of momentum from the buyers. Guys, understand, when the market breaks this my trend line, I know that sellers are now in the market, but the market is still retracing to the upside. If the market is retracing to the upside with a lot of momentum, guys, wait first for your confirmation. But if the market is moving to the upside, like it's just consolidating and moving slowly to the upside, you know that those buyers, they don't have momentum yet. And when the market comes to hit your trend line, you wait for a confirmation, maybe a candlestick confirmation, and then you're jumping for a sell. Or just like I say, always apply this proper risk management. For me personally, look at this low over here. That's where my stop loss is going to be. My stop loss is going to be above this low, and then my take profit is going to be either at this low, or my stop loss is going to be at this high. I'm sorry for that. And then my take profit is going to be at this low or at this low. And look at this, guys. The market smashed our take profit. We've just up a little and then also smash this last take profit over here. So do you guys understand this? One more example before I close the video. And also, guys, if you want to learn exactly the way I trade, not a link, message me, my Telegram group, just join my Telegram group, then you will see a tab. You see my profile, because I normally comment and I normally post on my Telegram group. So join my Telegram group, you see my profile, click on it and then message me if you're interested in joining my mentorship. It's not expensive, I'm just trying to raise capital to also fund my trading account. So if you are interested, you want to join my mentorship, just message me either on Instagram or on Telegram, but I prefer you message me on Telegram because I'm normally active there too. So let's get to this last example before I shut my camera. So look at this, the market is clearly in a downtrend. Now what happened? First touch, should we just call this a second touch? Let me just call this a second touch. The market didn't touch, but let me just, for emphasis, as I'm just giving it for example, you already know what I mean. And then we have our second touch here, we have our third touch here. The market is coming for the fourth touch, but when the market came for the fourth touch, it failed. Look at this, guys. That's what I said, momentum. Let me zoom in and show you guys. That's what I'm telling you guys. Momentum. Look at this strong big bullish candles that are forming up here. Look at this line of bullish candles. You know that the buyers now, they are like leading the market. They are coming in with momentum, and that's why they broke this level. Once the market tapping this trend line, I'm telling you guys, a lot of people will be looking out to sell, and then the market will stop them out. Now look at what I also told you guys. Once the market is coming to hit this your trend line again, you should be looking out for loss of momentum of your buyers. For example, the market was going up, that is, market was moving up with momentum, and then the market started losing momentum slowly, and then the market tapped into this level, and then the market tried to like form what I call a morning star over here, and then you guys can see how the market moved to the upside. Let me zoom this in and let me show you guys what I'm actually expecting here. Look at this. If I'm to jump in for this trade, the market taps into this my level. To be honest, here's where I'm going to be placing my stop loss. To be honest, that's where I'm going to be placing my stop loss, but I'm not going to be placing it there, right? Because if I should place it there, I'll be risking a lot. If I should place my stop loss here, then I should be placing my take profit at least somewhere around this high or somewhere around this side. That's where I should place my take profit. Okay, let me just say I put my stop loss over here, right? And then I jump in for the trade here. Look at this, guys. The market moved up a little, did all what it did, came back here, but didn't trigger my stop loss. Look at where I put my stop loss at this low. It didn't trigger my stop loss. It moved up, came, and then the rest was history. So that's how it goes, guys. It's just simply identifying the market, and then what you're just trying to do, you're trying to trade against the current trend. Look at this, guys. We just traded against the current trend. The current trend was in a downtrend, and then the market had to like move out of a downtrend to an uptrend, and then just follow what the market is printing out. In order for you to know when the market wants to change its direction, the market will start breaking highs or lows. That's just a simple way to identify or to know when the market wants to change its direction. Just like I said, guys, if you're interested in joining my mentorship, message me on Telegram. The link is also in the description box. Message me on Telegram. It's not expensive, just like I said. I'm trying to raise capital to fund my trading account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and like this video so that this video can reach out to more other persons. I love you guys. Thanks. Also follow me up on Telegram. And also follow me up on Instagram. Yeah, I try to like update those my social media platform once in a while. So please